Hi dear viewers, Professor Fayu here with another very important and interesting topic, that is trust in God. How we have trust in God and why we have trust in God. So we discuss here what are the basic and fundamental reasons that we have trust in God. So let's start. Trust. When we feel fear, who remove this fear? That is the God. Who strengthen you in fear? That is the God. Who help you in fear? That is the God. Who uphold you in fear? That is the God. So these are the basic reasons that I have trust in God. Moreover, God is good and always faithful to answer my prayers. He will wrap me up in his loving arms and protect me. My God is an awesome God, is very caring God, is very loving God. So that's why I trust in God. Sometimes life takes you in troubles. God will always be with you that time. Remember that he has great plan for you to get out from these difficulties. So that's why I have the trust and believe in Almighty, in God. Sometimes I fall in very hard situations. Then I pray and do struggle because my trust is that God will make a way when there seems to be no way. So that's why this is the basic reason to have trust in Almighty, to have trust in God. Sometimes it causes to hurt you, sometimes it's hard to you, but in the end it's all for the best, for the success. Never stop trusting God, and his divine plan will support you, will put you out from these difficulties. So that's why I have trust in God. If I do react with patience and wait for the things you want the most, don't chase it, don't run after it. Remember that there is a God. He will give it to you. He will give you the right way to treat with these difficulties. That's why I have trust in God, because God will put out me from these difficulties, from these problems. Sometimes I do some good, but I suffer some difficulties. What is right and what is wrong, I don't know. God will reward me for this. So that's why I don't worry or don't be afraid of these things, because I have blind trust in God. I will get success and be dominated in the situation. Moreover, God thinks you every day, every hour. God look after you every day, every hour, every minute. God cares you every day and every minute, because every second he loves you, he cares you. That's why I have trust in God. The God is my strength, my heart, my trust, and I am helped by my God. Therefore, my heart sometimes feels afraid, but my God give me calmness, give me success, that I shall think that I have increased the strength of my trust in God. Let us do thank for this to the God, that God is guiding me, God is with me in the journey, and God is helping me in every step of life and have create very nice situations for me. That's why I have trust and believe in the power of God. I pray because I do not have any doubt that God has never answered me. I pray because God allows me to wake up to see another day and also give me another chance with another day, no matter what other things are coming. But I am here, have trust in Almighty, have trust in God, and handle the situations in a better way. So please have a strong belief, strong trust in God for these reasons which I have explained in this video. Because if you have the blind trust and strong trust, then you should face all these situations and get success. But if your trust is weak, then you never ever get success. So please have trust in your God. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing my videos, and also following and subscribing my YouTube channel Professor for You. May you live long. Thank you. Bye bye.